Hello, Tim with Perkins Roofing here. This is a quickie. We're going to talk about a new program that we have here at Perkins Roofing called the Perkins Protection Program. Now this program has 4 different tiers: silver, gold, platinum, and platinum plus, that all have different levels and quantities of roof maintenance that can be included annually to help protect your home from roof leaks. It's important to make sure you get your expert on your roof every year, sometimes more than once a year, depending on the condition of the roof, what type of roof it is. Flat roofs especially, tile roofs especially. It's important to get your expert up there, check the roof, check the gutters, make sure everything's good, reseal everything, and keep everything in working order. Just like getting an oil change, just like getting your checkup on your teeth. That's what the Perkins Protection Program does. So if you are interested, please check out our website. You can find out more about the Perkins Protection Program, costs associated with the program, all the details of the program and what it entails. Silver is basically an annual maintenance. Gold is a biannual maintenance. Platinum is a 4-time-a-year maintenance, great for flat roofs. You need it for big commercial projects or properties that have drains, stuff can get in the drains. That's really where you want that platinum program. Silver and gold are better for residentials. And then there's the Platinum Plus, which is for tile roofs. That includes cleaning the roof, making sure the tiles look nice and good. We pressure clean the first time, and then we have a chemical that we put on for algae resistance after. That should help avoid future pressure cleanings down the road. So great way to treat your roof, whether you have commercial property, a shingle roof, a tile roof, whatever it is. You want to make sure you take care of it, just like you're brushing your teeth, right? Just like you get your oil change on your car. These are things you need to do to help everything in your house stay dry. We really recommend the Perkins Protection Program. So check that out. And in the meantime, thank you for watching all our videos. Please subscribe, press that little subscribe button. We love that when you watch the videos. So subscribe to us on YouTube, appreciate it. And then any roofing issues at all, or questions, even if you're not in our general area that we serve, give us a call for Miami, Dade, Broward, and Monroe counties. That's the Florida Keys, 305 MIA Roof. And then for Palm Beach County, for Martin and St. Lucie, you can call us at, you're probably reading this backwards, but 561-559-ROOF. Give us a call. We'll take care of all of your roofing needs. And check out that Perkins Protection Program. If you are in the South Florida area, you could almost definitely use that program to help take care of your home. Thanks for watching. Till next time.